How to reactivate your Facebook account if you've deactivated it. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can reactivate your Facebook account. So without any delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you've deactivated your Facebook account before and then you would like to reactivate your account. Now mind you, we're not talking about deleting, because if you've permanently already deleted your account, there's no way you could reactivate your account. But if you've only set a temporary deactivation for your account, you can choose to reactivate it anytime. In order to reactivate it, just go ahead and then launch Facebook and just try to log into that same account using your account details. So if it is this account, that's perfectly fine. You can tap the continue button. In some cases, you can try to enter the email and password again manually this time and try to log into the same account. When you log into the same account, in most of the cases, it will log you in automatically, but sometimes it might give you a pop-up as to whether you want to reactivate your account. And when you do that, your account will be there reactivated and ready for use. That's all it takes for us to reactivate our Facebook account if you've only deactivated it. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.